because he is threatening the security of the country. But an individual, a young boy, Asad, whose age is 19, how can he threaten the security of the country? If you want to catch him, hit him on the leg. Prosecute him. Why do you want to kill him?
So what would be your demand? Is that the Supreme Court should take a suo motu case of this encounter?
I hope so. I hope so. Because unless the message goes from the court, and this is true not just of this particular case, and not just of encounters, the whole process of the law in the context of who should be arrested, how long should he be in jail, what is the basis on which he should be kept in jail. Though there are some judgments of the Supreme Court, but I think they need to be tightened. And I think that the administration must be brought to task if they don't follow the law as strictly set out by the Supreme Court. We've been going to the Supreme Court on these hate speeches. What has the Supreme Court been able to do? It's been months. I myself have been arguing. Nothing.